Hello, Alana here from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for this weekend, Saturday the 21st and Sunday the 22nd of March. Let's start having a look across the country. Now, tomorrow's weather chart, we'll see Tropical Cyclone Narelle that is going to move across the Gulf of Carpentaria waters during Saturday, continuing to dominate the weather across the tropical north. We will see a continuation of showers and thunderstorm activities across northern Australia. Elsewhere, this region of moisture and instability will continue to drive shower and thunderstorm activity across much of New South Wales. However, through the southeast and the southwest of the country, broadly we're looking at some more settled and mild to warm conditions. Let's now take a look state by state, starting with Queensland. Now, with Narelle having moved offshore, that means that the heaviest, more widespread falls are going to have eased for Queensland. However, we are still expecting showers and storms across the tropical north with some more localised heavy falls possible. Through the southern and central coastal parts, we could see some onshore showers throughout the day. And across the southern interior as well, some isolated storms are possible. For Brisbane, a top of 28, showers and an isolated storm possible. Now, for New South Wales, we'll see the development of showers and thunderstorms extending throughout the day across much of the state. With that, we'll see some below average temperatures. So for Sydney, showers and a possible storm with a top of 27, and Canberra as well, showers and an afternoon thunderstorm likely, a top of 24. Now in Victoria, mostly settled conditions for western and central parts, morning fog, then a fine day. However, through the east and northeast, showers and thunderstorms are expected. For Melbourne, partly cloudy and a top of 23. Tasmania will see very settled conditions on Saturday under the influence of a high pressure ridge, and will also see warmer than average conditions. That includes for Hobart, a partly cloudy day and a top of 24. For southern parts of South Australia, very settled conditions, morning fog about the agricultural areas, then broadly a sunny day. However, through the interior, some cloud and isolated showers developing. For Adelaide, sunny and a top of 26. Now, for southern and central parts of Western Australia, we are looking at broadly dry conditions. It will be warm and we'll see this coastal trough move a little bit further onshore, bringing some elevated fire dangers. For Perth, mostly sunny and a top of 32. Very different across the tropical north, with Tropical Cyclone Narelle making its way across the Gulf of Carpentaria waters. With that, we're going to see an increase in both rain and wind impacts for the eastern and central top end and the Carpentaria districts. Now, we do have a separate severe weather update video that goes into Narelle into some more details. Some of that moisture will extend further across the tropical north into Darwin, as well into Western Australia, with some showers and storms possible. So for Darwin, a top of 31, showers and a possible storm. If we continue into Sunday, Tropical Cyclone Narelle will move onshore, most likely as a Category 3 system, making landfall in the eastern top end early on Sunday morning. That will bring further wind and rain impacts, particularly later in the day as the cyclone transitions into a low, but will move over some of our already flood impacted areas of the NT and then also into the Kimberley there as well. Elsewhere across the country on Sunday, broadly more settled, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms developing about the east coast, including for Brisbane and Sydney. In the southeast, generally settled and warm conditions, particularly for Melbourne and Hobart, and across for Perth, a mostly sunny day with a top of 32. That's all for our national weather forecast. As usual, please stay up to date with our latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website and app. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely weekend.